Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about some of the machine learning concepts, that is supervised learning. So let's understand what is supervised learning. So it is a type of machine learning where the model learns from a labeled data. Okay. So the data for this particular model should be inputted as a labeled data. Okay. And the correct output labels as well for that data. Just take an example. If you imagine teaching a child to recognize fruits, you show them the pictures of apples and say this is an apple, these are oranges, bananas, etc. Okay. So over the time, the child will learn to identify the fruits based on what you have taught them. In supervised learning, the process is similar. So as you can see in the picture, we have a label data, apples, oranges, bananas, etc. And a child is being taught to identify this this data. Okay. So there are certain steps in supervised learning. First is training data. So you provide set of examples with both the inputs like images of fruits and the correct answers, the name of the fruits. Next stage is learning stage where the model will learn to find patterns that connect inputs to the outputs. Okay. So the brain of the child, okay, will learn how to connect the dots. Third stage is prediction. So once the data is trained, you can give the model new data. Let's say I have trained my model with the pictures that are shown in this image. And now, once my model is trained, I'm going to pass some new data, like a new picture of fruit that is not part of the data that is being showed in this picture. So that's how the prediction will work. The model will predict the name of the fruit. So in short, supervised learning is like teaching a model with examples so that it can make predictions on new unseen data. So supervised learning is broadly categorized into two types. One is classification and regression. So in classification task, the goal is to predict discrete discrete label or category. Okay. So here are some of the examples of classification model, which is email spam detection, which is classifying the email as spam or not spam. Okay. Next is image recognition, identify whether image contains cat, dog, or other objects. Okay. Medical diagnosis, whether patient has a disease based on symptoms and test results. Second type is regression. So in regression task, the goal is to predict a continuous numerical value. So remember, if you have a numerical data, let's say temperature, which keeps on changing, okay, then you can use a regression type. Okay, so as you can see in the example, we have house price prediction, stock price forecasting, temperature prediction. So to summarize, classification predicts categories or classes, that is yes, no, or type of fruits. Regression predicts numerical values, that is prices, temperatures. So both types involve training a model on label data to make predictions on new data. These are some of the popular classification algorithms: logistic regression, decision trees, naive Bayes, neural networks, etc. These are some of the popular regression algorithms, which is linear regression, polynomial regression, decision trees, random forest, etc. So remember, each algorithm has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of algorithm will depend on specific problem, the nature of data, and performance requirements. Okay, so that's it for supervised learning. In the next video, I will explain you the machine learning concept of unsupervised learning. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.